everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 8.4, fifth main third question. In the fifth main third question, we need to show that tan theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. So let's try to prove this one. We can write this tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. So let's write that tan theta is now replaced by sin theta by cos theta. Then in the denominator 1 minus this cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Here in the denominator part we have 1 plus here cot can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now let's keep this numerator part as it is. Let's try to solve this. These denominator parts, here the LCM of 1 and sin is sin, so 1 sin thetas are, and here LCM of 1 and cos is cos, so here we can write 1 cos thetas are. Now I am going to write that numerator part as it is, sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 into sin theta gives us sin theta minus cos theta into 1 gives us cos theta whole divided by that LCM sin theta. And here we have plus, let's keep that cos theta by sin theta in the numerator part as it is, whole divided by 1 into cos theta gives us cos theta minus, here cos theta 1 are sin theta into 1 gives us sin theta whole divided by that LCM cos theta. Now let's simplify further. We can write this entire part as sin theta by cos theta into this denominator part sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sin theta becomes sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus, here let's write that cos theta by sin theta into this part becomes cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now let's multiply this numerator part sin theta into sin theta gives us sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus, here cos theta into cos theta gives us cos square theta whole divided by, let's keep that sin theta as it is, into bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Now let's try to factor out common terms in these two terms. We observe that here in this first term we have sin theta minus cos theta, but here we have cos theta minus sin theta. So let's take minus as the common factor in this denominator part of the second term. Then we can write this part as, let's keep this first term as it is, that is sin square theta divided by cos theta and bracket sin theta minus cos theta, then plus, let's write that cos square theta as it is, whole divided by, I'm going to factor out minus from here, then we have minus sine theta in bracket, then we are left with sine theta minus cos theta. Minus into plus sine theta gives us minus sine theta. Then minus into minus cos theta gives us plus cos theta. Now we can factor out sine theta minus cos theta from these two terms in their denominator part. Then by factoring it out, we can write 1 by sine theta minus cos theta into bracket. Here in the numerator part, we are left with sine square theta by cos theta plus we have cos square theta by minus sine theta in the denominator. Then further simplification gives us, let's keep this 1 by sine theta minus cos theta as it is. Then here we have sine square theta by cos theta. Here look at here. Here we have minus in the denominator. According to the rules of rational numbers, we should not have this negative sign in the denominator. So let's shift this negative sign to numerator. Then that becomes minus cos square theta plus into minus cos square theta, that becomes minus here. So we can write here minus of cos square theta divided by sine theta. Now let's simplify this part here. Let's find out the LCM of cos theta and sine theta, which is sine theta into cos theta. So here we can write cos theta into sine theta, and here sine theta into cos theta. So let's write this denominator, this part as it is, that is 1 divided by sine theta minus cos theta into bracket, we have sine square theta into sine theta gives us sine cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta gives us cos cube theta whole divided by that LCM sine theta into cos theta. Now this numerator part is in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b into bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So let's expand this sine cube theta minus cos cube theta with the help of this algebraic identity. Then by expanding, we have, let's write this part as it is, that is 1 by sine theta minus cos theta into, let's replace this a by sine and b by cos. We can write sine theta minus cos theta into bracket a square, that is sine square theta plus b square, that is cos square theta plus ab, that is sine theta into cos theta whole divided by, let's write that sine theta into cos theta. Here in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel this sine theta minus cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. Then 1 into this entire term gives us sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta. So let's write that. We are left with now in the numerator sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta whole divided by, in the denominator we are having only sine theta into cos theta. Further, we know that sine square a plus cos square a, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equals to 1. So let's replace this sine square theta plus cos square theta by 1. You can write then 1 plus sine theta into cos theta whole divided by sine theta into cos theta. Further, this can be written as, we can split this denominator part to both these two numerators. So we can write 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta plus, here we can write sine theta into cos theta whole divided by sine theta into cos theta. Here we can cancel this sine theta minus cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. Then here this part can be written as 1 by sine theta into 1 by cos theta. Plus here we are left with 1. Further, we know that 1 by sine theta is equals to cosec theta and 1 by cos theta is equals to secant theta. So let's replace this 1 by sine theta by cosec theta into 1 by cos theta, that is secant theta plus 1. Or in other words, we can write it as by rearranging 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. That is the solution for this fifth main third question. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.